What is the dialogue based or the conversation based? Let's suppose two people are talking and they are pointing, or maybe they are talking about someone, and in the statement वो क्या बता रहे हैं, relation बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. In the puzzles we are having certain clues, and with the help of that what we need to do, we need to draw our family tree. कोडेड वन RRB की अगर बात करें तो स्पेसिफिकली RRB में इतना नहीं पूछा जाता है अभी तक, बट या आगे का हमें नहीं पता है, फ्यूचर हम लोग प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, बट एक कैटेगरी होती है जो हमें पता होनी चाहिए. नाउ व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स दैट वी नीड टू कीप इन आवर माइंड इफ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर RRB एग्जामिनेशन. सो वी कैन से दैट हेयर, अगर हम ब्लड रिलेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें यहाँ पे जेंडर का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना चाहिए. यहाँ पे हमारे दो जेंडर्स हमें यहाँ पे देखने रहते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज अ मेल एंड द सेकंड वन इज फीमेल, राइट. So try to use different symbols for both of them so that you can easily able to distinguish कि कौन मेल है कौन फीमेल है. Apart from that, try to maintain a generation gap. Try to maintain what? Try to maintain a generation gap carefully. अब जैसे generation gap, let's suppose this is I am talking about me. This is my father's generation or my mother's generation, right? दिस इज माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जनरेशन, राइट. तो मैंने यहाँ पे जनरेशन गैप मेंटेन रखा है. अगर मैं इस तरीके से मेंटेन रखूंगी, इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिलेशंस clearly, right, and quickly. Apart from that, it's good if you are denoting each and every relation with a different symbol or with some different notation, so that you can easily able to distinguish the sister, brother, siblings, cousins, and the people who are lying in the same generation, spouse, and many more, right. So these are the few things that we need to keep in our mind while solving the questions from the concept of blood relation. And there's one more thing, in the most of the questions you need to keep in your mind, just by listening or reading the name you are not going to determine the gender of any of the person, right. This is the main point that you need to keep in your mind, right. And there's one more point, that always give priority, or if there's nothing mentioned, then we need to go with the parental side family. Here we are know that we are having two side of extended family. The first one is parental side and the second one is maternal side. Paternal side is the one which belongs to our father side family, and the maternal one is the one which belongs to our mother side family, right. So we need to keep these things as well while solving the questions, right. So this is a very first question and we are just trying to solve it. So the question is saying that Aman is a brother of Preeti, Sulekha is a wife of Gaurav, Hemant is father of Gaurav, whose wife is grandmother of Preeti. How is Aman related to Hemant? Now what you need to do as per the given clues. Yes, Ganesh, here we are having two side of families. The first one is the paternal side, that means the father side extended family, and the second one is the maternal side, which is nothing but the mother side family, right. Now as per the given clues, what we need to do, we just simply need to try to draw the family tree or the family chart according to the given data, and as per that we need to determine what is the correct option over here. So what answer you people are getting? Any one of you in the comment section? Just go line by line. So here the first thing is given that Aman is a brother of Preeti. Okay. So let's suppose here if I am having Preeti, right? As the gender of Preeti is not given yet, so I am not going to draw any of the diagram over here. But the question says that Aman is what? Aman is a brother of Preeti. So for the male I am using box or square or rectangle, you can say anything, right. Aman is a brother of Preeti. If Aman is a brother, that means both of them are lying in the same generation. Very good, Ganesh. Let's see. The next one is Sulekha is a wife of Gaurav. Till this point we don't know who is Gaurav, who is Sulekha, but here I can draw a little like clue over here that Sulekha is what? Sulekha is a wife of. For the female, I am going to use either the circle or the oval, and is a wife of Gaurav. That means by default the gender of the Gaurav is mentioned, that is nothing but the male, and these two horizontal lines are representing the spouse, where the single horizontal line is representing the siblings, right. Okay. Hemant is a father of Gaurav. Okay, so Hemant is a father of Gaurav. whose wife, that means Hemant's wife, is the grandmother of Preeti. If we are having such scenario, so we can say that there are chances that we are having Sulekha over here, as we are talking about the family, and here we are having the Gaurav, right? And here we are having the Hemant, and Hemant's wife is nothing but the grandmother of what? Grandmother of Preeti. I guess the name is not mentioned, so we are keeping it like that only, right? There's one person who is present over here, but the name is not mentioned, but she is nothing but she is the grandmother of Preeti. Now, how is Aman related to Hemant? Aman is nothing but the son of, wait, how is Aman related to Hemant? Aman is nothing but the grandson of Hemant. That means option number B is the correct one. Option number B is the correct one. Ganesh, हमें यहाँ पे बताना है कि अमन कैसे related है, not Hemant. If the question is like this, how Hemant is related to, how Hemant is related to Aman. अगर हमारे पास ये क्वेश्चन होता तो वी नीड टू फिगर आउट व्हाट रिलेशन हेमंत इज होल्डिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अमन. हेमंत इज नथिंग बट द ग्रैंडफादर ऑफ अमन. इस वाले केस में ऑप्शन नंबर ए यहाँ पे करेक्ट हो जाता, बट अभी हमें अमन का रिलेशन पूछा गया कि बेसिकली अमन क्या है. सो अमन इज अ ग्रैंड सन ऑफ हेमंत, राइट. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द, सॉरी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन, राइट. नेक्स्ट, the next question says that Urmila and Qureshi are children of Tarun, who is the brother-in-law of Priya. Urmila is niece of Sundar. Priya is daughter of Rekha, but Rekha is not the father of Priya. How is Rekha related to Tarun? Just read it out carefully and let me know what answer you people are getting. Just go line by line and accordingly try to draw the family tree or family chart and let me know what answer you people are getting in this one. So basically in the first line it is given that Urmila and Qureshi are the children of Tarun, who is brother-in-law of Priya. Okay. So first we need to draw Tarun. As Tarun is a brother-in-law, that means Tarun is a male and he is having two children. The gender is not given. The first one is Urmila and Qureshi. So here we are having Urmila and here we are having Qureshi, right? Okay, next. This Tarun is nothing but the brother-in-law of Priya. Now there are chances that Tarun might marry someone and whose sister is nothing but Priya, or maybe Priya is married to someone whose brother is Tarun, right? There are two chances. Now, Urmila is a niece of Sundar. If Urmila is a niece, that means the gender of Urmila is revealed, that is nothing but the female. And if she is the niece of Sundar, that means Sundar is connected to Tarun. But till now, as we don't know the connection completely, so we are keeping Sundar over here, right? Next, Priya is a daughter of Rekha, but Rekha is not the father of Priya. Okay, and okay, Priya is somewhere connected to over here, right? Okay, so first we need to draw Priya, right? Okay, Priya is a daughter of Rekha. Priya is a daughter of Rekha, but Rekha is not the father of Priya. That means Rekha is a mother of Priya. Now what we need to do, we need to connect something over here. So we can either go this way, right, or we can either go this way. Tarun has some brother and that person is married to Priya, right, and here we are having Rekha, right. We can also go in this way, right. Okay, now the question is asking, how is Rekha related to Tarun? How is Rekha? In any of the ways, Rekha will be the sister-in-law of Tarun. In this way also and in this way also, in both of them, Rekha is nothing but the sister-in-law of Tarun. Option number D is the correct one. Wait. How is Rekha? Sorry, not Rekha. Rekha. It's not Rekha. Rekha is nothing but the mother-in-law. Rekha is nothing but the mother-in-law. I told about the Priya. Priya is the sister-in-law, but the Rekha is nothing but Rekha is the mother-in-law of Tarun, right? Rekha is nothing but mother-in-law of Tarun. Very good Rakesh, very good Ganesh, right? Next. The next question is from the, we can say that it's from the part or the segment of the dialogue based or the conversation based type. The question is saying that pointing to a girl, Priyanka said, "She is the daughter of my grandfather's only child. How is she related to that girl?" Sorry. So what answer we are getting over here? What we need to do, we need to go line by line. As the question is saying that pointing to a girl, Priyanka is saying, she is that means the girl which is present over here, she is a daughter of my, that means Priyanka is talking about herself, my grandfather. That means first we need to draw Priyanka. Priyanka, father, and here we are having grandfather, right? Grandfather's only child, we are just assuming that that's the person only, or you can also do one thing, as a gender is not given. So instead of that we can write child, because there are chances that we are talking about the mother side family, right? But mainly, as I have told you, in the by default case we need to take the father side family only. So here we are not pointing anything, we are just keeping child. So she is the daughter of my grandfather's only child, and she is a daughter, that means here we are having this girl, right? Here we are having this girl. Now the question is asking, how is she related to that girl? She is nothing but the sister of that particular girl. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one. Very good Ganesh, right? Next, very good Rakesh, daughter cannot be possible, as we are having the limited relations over here. She, that means this girl is the daughter of the only, daughter of my grandfather's only child. So here we got sister as the correct answer, right? Next. The next question says that Ankita is sister of the son of Gautam. Deepak's wife is mother of Suravi. Lata is grandmother of Suravi. There are two married couples in the family. How is Ankita related to Suravi? How we are going to connect this? Again go line by line so that you can able to understand what the question is trying to say and how we are going to draw the family tree as per the given data. Okay, let's start discussing. Ankita is sister of the son of Gautam. Okay, so first we need to start with the Gautam. The son of Gautam, till now we don't know who is the son of Gautam, but Ankita is a sister of the son of Gautam. That means here we can draw Ankita. Right, this is the Ankita. Next, Deepak's wife is mother of Suravi. Okay, right now we don't know who is Deepak. Lata is a grandmother of Suravi. Okay, so here we can start it. So Lata is a grandmother of Suravi, right? Now, Deepak wife is a mother of Suravi. That means here we need to draw the Deepak. Deepak is married to someone, and this lady is nothing but the mother of Suravi, right? Next, there are two married couples in the family. As I can see this one and this diagram over here. So now what I need to do, I need to connect them together. So as we are having Lata over here and we are having Gautam over here, he is having one son, here we are having one male. So what we can do, we can connect Deepak over here. We can connect them through the Deepak, and this Deepak is married to some person, and this person is nothing but the mother of Suravi, right? And here what we need to do, we need to draw the Lata, and as Lata is a grandmother, so Gautam should be the male. So as we are having the two married couples, so basically we are satisfying the all given condition. Now the question is asking, how is Ankita related to Suravi? Ankita is nothing but the aunt of Suravi. That means option number A is the correct one. Option number A is the correct one, right? Yes, very good, Rakesh. Option number A is the correct one, aunt, right? Next. If the question is asking how Suravi is related to Ankita, then our answer should be the niece, option number B, right? If the question is asking how Suravi is related to Ankita, then our answer should be niece, right? Next. The next question is saying that looking at a photo, Ananya said, this man is the only son of my mother's mother-in-law. How is Ananya's father related to the man in the photograph or in the photo? Again, it's a very easy one. Okay, looking at a photo, Ananya said, this man, that means we are talking about the photograph, this man is the only son. Only son, that means no other son, like बहन हो सकती है, sister हो सकती है, but not the son of my mother's mother-in-law. Okay, so first we need to start with the Ananya. My mother's mother-in-law. So just to connect mother-in-law, we need to create a father of Ananya, and the mother of this particular person will become the mother-in-law of Ananya's mother, right? This person will become the mother-in-law of Ananya's mother. Now, this man is the only son of my mother's mother-in-law. That means we are talking about this particular person who is nothing but the father of Ananya. So basically this person is present in a photograph. This person is present in the photograph. Now the question is asking, how is Ananya's father related to the man in the photograph? That means we are talking about that the same person. That means option number D is the correct one, himself. Very good, Rakesh. The correct answer over here is your option number D, himself, right? Next. The next question says that Arpita said, Arun is my maternal's grandmother's only daughter's only grandson. How is Arun related to Arpita? Very good, Ganesh. Now try to solve this particular question. The question, the language is very simple. All we need to do is we need to imagine it, or we need to try to draw it on the rough page or whatever space you are having, but please try to maintain the generation gap so that you can easily able to detect the relation in between the entities. The question is saying that Arun is my maternal grandmother's. My is denoting Arpita. That means you can start with Arpita. Arpita. My maternal grandmother's. Okay. My maternal, that means we are talking about the mother side family. My maternal's grandmother. Right. Grandmother's only daughter, that means we are talking about the mother only. Only daughters, only grandson. Only grandson, that means here we need to put Arun, and as Arun is the only grandson, that means we need to make a box over here. Now the question is asking, how is Arun related to Arpita? Arun is nothing but the son of Arpita. Option number B is the correct one. Very good, Rakesh. Option number B is the correct one. Next. The next one is very simple. The question is saying, A is a father of B, O is a mother of P, P is a mother of B. How is O related to B? Very good, Ganesh. Very good, Quantum. Now try to solve this one. Very good, Ganesh. It's a very simple one. A is a father of B. A is a father of B. O is a mother of P and P is a mother of B. If P is a mother of B, that means we can connect it like this, and O is a mother of P. O is a mother of P. So basically this is our family tree. Now the question is asking, how O is related to B? O is nothing but the grandmother of B. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one. Very good, Rakesh. Option number C is the correct one. Very good, Ganesh. Here the correct answer is grandmother. Next. The next question says that, look at a photo. Ananya said, okay, I guess we have already solved this one. No, this is a different one. Looking at a photo, Ananya said, this man is the eldest son of my mother's mother-in-law. How is Ananya related to the man? How is Ananya related to the man? I guess we can use the same diagram that we have used in the previous question, which is quite similar to this one. The only segment is this last line got changed. Okay. Rakesh, the question is asking how Ananya is related to Rakesh, right? Let's start drawing it. This man is the eldest son of my mother's. That means again we need to start with the Ananya. My mother's mother-in-law. This is my family tree, right? This man is the eldest son of my mother's mother-in-law, as we are not having the further information. So, we are considering this man as the father of the Ananya. Now, how is Ananya related to men? Now, if you will see, the gender of Ananya is not given over here, and we are also not having any clue of it, right? So, this person can be the male or maybe the female. So, we are not able to determine it. So, we are going with option number D, which says that either daughter or son. Either daughter or son. Option number D is the correct one. As in the very starting, I have clearly mentioned that just on the basis of the name, we are not going to determine the gender of any of the person, right? So all of you which have given your answer as option number B, so here the gender of the Ananya is not given, and that's why we are going with option number D, which says that either daughter or son, right? Option number D is the correct one. Very good Rakesh and very good Ganesh. Only these two people answered as correctly. Next one. The next question says that Anjana and Sunanya are the only daughters of Mahesh. Sunanya's grandmother is a wife of Farhan, who is the father of Arpita. Arpita has a son Kalu. How is Farhan related to Anjana? Just try to understand the language of the question and accordingly try to draw the family tree, and with the help of it, try to answer this particular question. Okay, let's start discussing. Anjana and Sunanya are the only daughters. That means no other female can be a daughter of Mahesh, and we are not sure about whether Mahesh is having any son or not, right? So, Mahesh is having two daughters. The first one is Anjana and the second one is Sunanya. Right? Okay, the next one. Sunanya's grandmother is a wife of Farhan, who is a father of Arpita. Okay. Arpita has a son Kalu. Okay, so as we are having this, Sunanya's grandmother. Okay. So we can, as we are only talking about the family, so we can say that I'm just putting Arpita over here, right? Arpita has a son Kalu, okay, has a son Kalu, and if it is so, then Mahesh will become the male, and Sunanya's grandmother is a wife of Farhan, who is a father of Arpita, Farhan, and this female, whatever the female we are having, now she will become the grandmother of Sunanya, or we can say the Anjana, right? Now, as per this family tree, as this is the only possibility through which we can connect them, as we also need to take care that this person is the grandmother of these two persons, right? Now the question is asking, how is Farhan related to Anjana? Farhan is nothing but the grandfather of Anjana. Option number A is the correct one. Very good Ganesh, very good Arun, very good Ganesh, very good Rakesh, right? Option number A is the correct one. Grandfather is the correct answer. Next. The next question says that if my son's daughter is a daughter-in-law of Karthik, then how is Karthik's daughter's son is related to my husband's only daughter? Okay, the language is quite complicated, but if you will go word by word, I guess you can able to draw the diagram first, and afterwards you can easily able to define the answer. Third question, Rakesh, we will discuss it afterwards. Let's go with the flow, and in the ending I'll explain the third one again. Okay, let's try to draw it one by one. If my sons, so first let's start with a my son's daughter, right? My son's daughter is a daughter-in-law of Karthik. That means she might married to someone, and this person is nothing but the son of Karthik, right? Okay. Now, my son's daughter is a daughter-in-law of Karthik. Then how is Karthik's daughter's son? Then how Karthik's daughter's son, okay, son is related to my husband's, okay, so my husband's only daughter. We can't define such relations, right? इतने दूर के रिश्तेदारी हम लोग तो वैसे ही नहीं निभाते, मे बी रियल लाइफ में निभाते होंगे, बट यहाँ ब्लड रिलेशंस में नहीं निभाते. सो द आंसर इज कांट डिफाइन. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट वन. वी कांट डिफाइन सच रिलेशंस. और यहाँ पे नेफ्यू तो वैसे भी नहीं हो सकता. अगर आंसर होता भी, इन केस यू नीड टू गिव आंसर, लेट्स सपोज ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल ही नहीं होता, इन दैट सिनेरियो यू हैव टू गो विद ग्रैंडसन. जनरेशन गैप हमें यहाँ पे पूछा है, इस डॉटर के रिस्पेक्ट में बताना है कि ये कौन होगा, ठीक है. तो इस डॉटर के रिस्पेक्ट में देन हाउस कार्तिक्स डॉटर सन, दैट मीन्स ये कैसे रिलेटेड होगा टू माई हस्बैंड्स ओनली डॉटर. ये तो ये पर्सन क्या होगा, अगर जनरेशन गैप में देखें तो यहाँ पे आएंगे नीस एंड नेफ्यू, एंड यहाँ पे आएंगे हमारे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रंस. तो यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा, ग्रैंड सन बन जाएगा. इफ सच काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शन इज नॉट अवेलेबल, बट इन सच सिनेरियोज हम इतने वास्ट रिलेशंस को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड. The next question says that A is an uncle of B who is a son of D, but D is neither brother nor sister of A. A's father is husband of L. L's daughter H is mother of F. How is B related to F? Again, what you need to do, you just simply need to go one by one and try to draw the diagram as per the given data, and accordingly let me know what answer you people are getting. Okay, let's start drawing it. A is the uncle of B. A is the uncle of B, right? Next, who is the son of D, but D is neither the brother nor sister. Okay, so we can connect D over here, right? We can connect D over here as D is neither the brother nor sister of A. Next, A's father is a husband of L. A's father is husband of L. Okay. L's daughter H is a mother of F. Okay. L's daughter H. So we can connect H over here, right? Now, H is a mother of F, so we can connect F over here. Now, how is B related to F? Wait, who is a son of? Son of, that means here we are having this one. Now, how is B related to F? B is nothing but the brother of F. Option number A is the correct one. Option number A is the correct one. Very good, Rakesh. Right? Option number A is the correct one. Next, The next question says that Arun and Divya are kids of Hemant. Mala is daughter of Arunima, who is the mother of Sarita. Sarita's brother-in-law is father of Divya. How is Sarita related to Arun? So basically this is a question, and what we need to do, again we need to understand the relations over here, and accordingly we need to draw the family tree. Very good, Ganesh. Now try to solve this particular question and let me know what answer you people are getting. Okay, let's start with the first line. Arun and Divya are the kids of Hemant. So let's start with the Hemant. Here we are having Arun and Divya. Right? Okay, the next one. Mala is a daughter of Arunima, who is the mother of Sarita. Till now we don't know who is Sarita. Sarita's brother-in-law is a father of Divya. Okay. So till now we can assume that Hemant is a father of Divya, right? Now this person is a brother-in-law of Sarita. Okay, so we can connect either in this way, right? Or, okay, this is the only way, right? Sarita's brother-in-law is the father of Divya, okay, and Mala is a daughter of Arunima, who is a mother of Sarita. Okay, here we are having Arunima, who is a mother of Sarita. Mala is a daughter of Arunima. Okay, Mala, so we can put Mala over here. Now, how is Sarita related to Arun? Wait, as per the options, we can only go with the option aunt over here. Option number C. But here the gender of Saritas is not given. Rakesh, we need to give answer with respect to Sarita and Arun. Sarita and Arun, they both are lying in the different basically generations. So we can't go with the sister-in-law or brother-in-law, they should be lying in the same generation. As I have told you, please do take care of the generation gap so that you can easily able to determine the genders, right? So according to the options only, we need to put Sarita as a female, and after that only the Sarita will become the aunt of Arun, right? Option number C is the correct one. Next. The next question says that A, B and C are siblings. B's mother is daughter of K. K's is wife of M, whose son-in-law is brother of L. How is C's mother related to L? Okay, so the clue is saying that A, B, C and the siblings. A, B and C are the siblings. B's mother is a daughter of K. B's mother is a daughter of K. K is a wife of M. whose son-in-law is a brother of L, whose son-in-law, that means this person is a brother of L. This is the diagram. Now, how C's mother is related to L? C's mother is nothing but the sister-in-law of L. Option number B is the correct one. Very good, Rakesh. Option number B is the correct one. Next. The next question says that Karan said to Mohan, the boy playing cricket is a son of his brother's only sister. How is the boy related to Karan? It's a simple one. All you need to do is you need to draw the diagram and accordingly let me know what answer you people are getting. Very good, Rakesh. Very good, Ganesh. Now try to solve this one. Okay, let's start drawing it. Karan said to Mohan, that means the Karan is a speaker, so we can say that his is also used for Karan, right? The boy playing cricket is a son of his brother, that means Karan's brother. Karan's brother. He is the son of his brother's only sister, brother's only sister, and here we are having son, right? Okay, so son. Now, how is the boy related to Karan? Boy is nothing but the nephew of Karan. Option number D is the correct one. Option number D is the correct one. अंकल कैसे आ जाएगा भाई? यहाँ पर पूछा गया हाउ इज बॉय रिलेटेड टू दिस बॉय. बॉय कैसे रिलेटेड है? लोअर जनरेशन में है ना, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या आएगा? हमारे पास नेफ्यू आएगा. आई गेस इट्स बेटर टू गो विद द फैमिली ट्री वंस. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, राइट, सो माई ब्रदर, सिस्टर, राइट, sister-in-law and my brother-in-law, right, and my cousins. All of these are lying in the same generation, right? If I'll go one level up, so my parents, father, mother, my uncle and aunt, these people will also lie in the same generation. Apart from this, my father-in-law and mother-in-law, these two people will also lie in the same generation, right? Above that, I am having my grandparents, right? Now, one generation below this one, here I am having son, daughter. Along with these, I am having niece, nephew, right? Along with these people, son-in-law and daughter-in-law. Right? And one generation below that, grandchildren. This is the generation tree, or we can say like generation chart, which we need to keep in our mind. तो इसके basis पे हम थोड़ा generation का idea लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है? इफ आई एम लाइंग ओवर हियर एंड समवन इज लाइंग ओवर हियर, तो यहाँ पर अगर वो डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड नहीं है तो ध्यान रखिएगा नीस या नेफ्यू में जाएगा, ठीक है। एज वी कैन सी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम, द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाउ इज बॉय, दिस बॉय इज रिलेटेड टू करण। ये बॉय कैसे रिलेटेड है, ये बॉय बेसिकली डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड तो नहीं है करण के, किसी के थ्रू है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, बेसिकली दिस बॉय इज द नेफ्यू ऑफ करण। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट वन। अगर यहीं पे क्वेश्चन होता हाउ इज करण रिलेटेड टू द बॉय, अब मुझे करण का रिलेशन पूछ लिया गया कि करण कैसे रिलेटेड है इस बॉय से, तब मेरा आंसर होता है यहाँ पे अंकल, ठीक है। यहाँ पे मेरा आंसर क्या होता है, अंकल, ठीक है। सो वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट। ओके, रोनाल्डो, द थिंग इज कि जो भी आरआरबी टेक्नीशियन में जिस ये बिल्कुल हेल्प करेगा, बेसिकली द कोर्स विल रिमेन सेम, तो आप ये सेशंस फॉलो कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। एंड फॉर द मोर डाउट्स try to understand the language of the question and accordingly try to draw the family chart, ठीक है। यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि कुछ के according to the like religions or maybe the areas कुछ relations अलग हो सकते हैं, but please यहाँ पे please stick to the English relationships that we are having and accordingly that only try to give the answers, क्योंकि उसी के according आपके answers एग्जाम में दिए जाते हैं, ठीक है। Next one, the next question is saying that Arshi is mother of Rekha, Sunita is sister-in-law of Rekha, Tapan is maternal grandfather of Girish, Anuj is son of Puneet. If Arshi is mother of a son and a daughter, then how is Anuj related to Sunita? Okay, let's start this one. Arshi is a mother of Rekha. Arshi is a mother of Rekha. Sunita is a sister-in-law of Rekha. Okay. Tapan is a maternal grandfather of Girish. Anuj is a son of Puneet. If Arshi is a mother of a son and a daughter, तो यहीं से start करेंगे. Rekha can be the daughter. So here we can connect it like this. There should be one son as well. And Sunita is a sister-in-law of Rekha, so we can connect Sunita over here. Right? अगर नहीं बैठेगा तो change कर देंगे ending में, ठीक है? Next, Tapan is a maternal grandfather of Girish. Anuj is a son of Puneet. Okay. If it is so, I guess we need to connect Anuj is a son of Puneet, and if it is so we can put Anuj over here, right, and we can put Puneet over here. We are just trying the possibilities कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या possibilities हो सकती है. Now, Tapan is maternal grandfather of Girish and Anuj is a son. Okay, then how is Anuj related to Sunita? तपन इज अ मैटरनल ग्रैंडफादर ऑफ गिरीश. तो यहाँ पे तो हम कहीं पे गिरीश को ऐड कर नहीं सकते हैं, ठीक है. द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी वेयर वी कैन ऐड गिरीश इज दिस वन, क्योंकि अगर हमने गिरीश को यहाँ पे ऐड किया तो ये वाली कंडीशन यहाँ पे फुलफिल नहीं हो पाएगी, ठीक है। एंड तपन, तपन अगर मैटरनल ग्रैंडफादर है तो हम तपन को यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। This is the only possibility that we are having. Now the question is asking, how is Anuj related to Sunita? According to the husband, as all are the males, so we can put a box over here. And how Anuj is related? Anuj is nothing but the son of Sunita. Option number D is the correct one. Option number D is the correct one, right? Very good Arun, very good Rakesh, very good Feni, right? Next one. The next question says that Mohan is son of Akash, Manchan is father-in-law of Akash, Kamla is daughter-in-law of Parvati who is married to grandfather of Mohan, Anil is paternal uncle of Mohan. How is Parvati related to Akash? I'll check Rakesh. अगर वो possibility है उसके accordingly if you are getting the answer then it's completely fine. As I've told you, यहाँ पे what we need to do, we just need to check the possibilities. If the direct connections are not given and here we are having a like a question from a family, then we need to check all the possibilities. Then how you connected Puneet? पुनीत के साथ गड़बड़ हो गई ना, एज अनुज के फादर पुनीत थे एंड तपन इज ऑल्सो फादर, तो वहाँ पे गड़बड़ होने के चांसेस थे. आई विल जस्ट चेक इट वंस एंड लेट यू नो वेदर द वे यू कनेक्टेड इज करेक्ट और नॉट. ओके, इसके साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. मोहन इज अ सन ऑफ आकाश, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आकाश. मोहन is a son of Akash. Okay, the next one. The next line says that Manchan is a father-in-law of Akash. Okay, so we can say that here we are having Manchan, right? Okay, next. Kamla is daughter-in-law of Parvati who is married to the grandfather of Mohan. Okay, Parvati who is married. Okay, so here we need to connect Parvati. Parvati, this Parvati is married to the grandfather of Mohan. Okay, the next one. Anil is paternal uncle of Mohan. Okay, so we can connect Anil over here. Although it is not necessary to draw it, because ultimately we need to find out how Parvati is related to Akash. Parvati is nothing but the mother of Akash. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one, right? I'll check it, Rakesh. Right? Option number C is the correct one. Next. The next question says that pointing to photograph of a man, Kalika said, he is the son of the only son of my daughter. How is Kalika related to that man? Again, what we need to do, we just simply need to go step by step and accordingly we need to draw the family tree. Okay, let's start drawing it. Pointing to a photograph of a man, Kalika said, he is the son of the only son of my daughter. Okay, let's start with the Kalika. My daughter, okay. He is the son of the only son, okay, only son. He is the son of the only son of my daughter. He is the son of the only son of my daughter. Okay. So basically this, we are talking about this particular man in the photograph, right? Now the question is asking how Kalika is related to that man. Kalika is nothing but the great-grandmother. Great-grandmother. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one. Very good, Arun. Rakesh, here what we need to do, again we need to find out how this Kalika is related, right? So we need to go upwards. ठीक है, हमें men के men कलिका कैसे रिलेटेड है, तो कलिका बेसिकली ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर है इस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की, तो हमें रिलेशन किस तरीके से डिफाइन करना है, वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, राइट. नेक्स्ट, yeah, gender is not given, but as if you will see the options, sometimes you also need to go according to the options. So as here we are having the female dominated, तो उस वाली चीज़ का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा. If you will notice in many of the questions the gender is not given. If you will see over here, गिरीश का gender भी नहीं given था, ठीक है, but according to the options, all of the options that we are having are of male sections, right. तो हमें ना चाहते हुए भी गिरीश को मेल बनाना पड़ा, ठीक है. तो sometimes we also need to take care of the options which are available in the examination, ठीक है. अगर आप SSC और RRB में देखेंगे तो many times these things are happening कि gender नहीं given है but still they have selected one option. But if you will go in the banking segment or the CAT level examination, वहाँ पे ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होती. If the gender is not given, simply you need to go with the cannot be determined or none of these is the correct answer. But when we talk about the SSC and the RRB, there are some changes, or we can say there are certain things that we need to take care, right. Next. The next question says that introducing to a girl, a boy said, she is the daughter of the father of my maternal aunt. How is girl related to the boy? How is girl related to the boy? Or we can do one thing, as this is the last question and the rest question will be in your homework. So what we are going to do, we are just going to solve it quickly, and afterwards let's discuss the homework, right. Okay. Introducing a girl, a boy said, she is the daughter of the father of my maternal aunt. So here boy said, so boy, maternal aunt, okay, mother, maternal aunt, she is the daughter of the father. Okay, she is the daughter of the father of my maternal aunt. She is the daughter of the father, okay. Maternal aunt, that means this is the girl which he is talking about. Now how is the girl related to the boy? Girl is nothing but the mother of the boy. Option number A is the correct one. Option number A is the correct one. So questions are quite easy. Sometimes I know it is quite कभी कभार confusion हो जाता है, because sometimes we need to keep aside our rules and the things and we have to go along with the options as we are having, ठीक है. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमें whenever we are attempting any of the question based on the RRB or the SSC, we need to take care of these things. We also need to take care of the options that we are having, and accordingly we need to make the changes in the diagram, right. So for the homework you are having few questions. This is the first one. As I have told you in the previous lecture as well, what you can do, you can just simply pause the video or you can take a screenshot of it and afterwards just solve it and let me know what answer you people are getting in the comment section. This is the first one. Second, third, fourth, Okay, so basically these are the 4 questions that you need to solve in your homework and try to get the answer. And indicating is hard to understand for me. I know funny, sometimes the language is quite complicated. All you need to do is you just need to go step by step so that you can understand it in a well manner. And जैसे जैसे आप समझते जा रहे हो ना, try to draw it, ठीक है. अगर आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके समझ में आ रहा है तो क्वेश्चन को सेगमेंट्स में ही ड्रॉ करो, बट जस्ट ट्राई टू ड्रॉ इट एंड आफ्टर दैट जो पॉसिबिलिटी लग रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मर्ज कर दो, ठीक है. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी, बट इवेंचुअली आप जैसे जैसे प्रैक्टिस करोगे you can easily able to draw the whole diagram together, right? So with this one, let's wind up this lecture. But before that, if you are preparing for the RRB JEE CBT-1 and the CBT-2 for these branches, then what you can do, you can just simply scan this QR code जो आपको directly ACE की website पे ले जाएगा, as ACE is offering the pre-recorded course on this particular RRB NTPC as well as the RRB JEE for the CBT-1 and the CBT-2. There are multiple subscription options are available, and don't forget to use RRB 25 just to get the 25% discount on the NTPC recorded courses, right? Apart from that, there are several courses as well according to your choices. You can scroll it. And for the RRB JEE 2024, ACE is also offering the online test series in which you are getting the total number of 20 tests, in which 8 are the subject wise, 6 are the multi subject wise, and there are 6 full length mock tests, right? So if you are interested, you can just simply visit and choose accordingly. With this one, let's end this video over here only. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching this video.